Hello Indonesian. We are anonymous. The time has come to protect the Indonesian people, our brothers and sisters, our homeland. The time has come for us to speak out for our rights, justice, freedom of speech. BJORKA is neither a name, nor a person. BJORKA is the name of a hacking movement, or cyber attack. The name BJORKA will represent the Indonesian people, the people who do not get justice and their rights. Don't panic, we did hack or steal the personal data of the president and the people of Indonesia. But we will not sell the data. BJORKA exists because of monsters. BJORKA exists because of Pancasila. BJORKA hacked because Pancasila was not proven. This country is in a bad situation. Fuel prices are starting to rise. Some cases cannot be handled by state law. Do you still want to relax and watch news broadcasts on television? Do you still not hear at all about this? Fight man, we can recover this all. Fight, I love you all. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forget. We do not forgive. Expect us.